What happens to your body if you start eating fish every day? Fish ranks high among the healthiest foods available, packed with essential nutrients like protein and vitamin D. Additionally, fish is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids that play a vital role in maintaining the health of your body and brain. Numerous studies support the numerous health benefits of consuming fish. 1. High in important nutrients. Fish is a nutrient-dense food that is deficient in several essential nutrients for many individuals. These nutrients include high-quality protein, iodine, and various vitamins and minerals. Among the different types of fish, fatty fish, such as salmon, trout, sardines, tuna, and mackerel, are often deemed the healthiest. This is because they are rich in fat-based nutrients, including vitamin D, which is fat-soluble and often deficient in people's diets. In addition, fatty fish provide omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for optimal body and brain function and are associated with a lower risk of several diseases. It is recommended to consume fatty fish at least once or twice a week to meet the omega-3 requirements. For vegans, omega-3 supplements made from microalgae can be an alternative. 2. May lower your risk of heart attacks and strokes. The leading causes of premature death worldwide are heart attacks and strokes. Fish is recognized as one of the most beneficial foods for heart health. Numerous large observational studies demonstrate that individuals who consume fish regularly are at a lower risk of experiencing heart attacks, strokes, and death from heart disease. A study conducted on over 40,000 men in the United States revealed that those who consumed at least one serving of fish per week had a 15% reduced risk of developing heart disease. Fatty fish is believed to be even more beneficial for the heart due to its high omega-3 fatty acid content. 3. Contain nutrients that are crucial during development. Omega-3 fatty acids play a crucial role in growth and development. In particular, docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, which is an omega-3 fat, is vital for brain and eye development. Therefore, it is recommended that pregnant and breastfeeding women consume sufficient omega-3 fatty acids. However, certain types of fish may contain high levels of mercury, which is associated with brain developmental issues. As a result, pregnant women should restrict their fish intake to low-mercury varieties such as salmon, sardines, and trout and limit consumption to 12 ounces, 340 grams, per week. Additionally, they should avoid consuming raw or uncooked fish, which could harbor microorganisms that may be harmful to the fetus. 4. May boost brain health. As we age, our brain function may deteriorate. Although some level of mild cognitive decline is typical, severe neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's can also occur. Several observational studies indicate that individuals who consume fish regularly experience slower rates of mental decline. Research further indicates that those who consume fish at least once a week possess more gray matter in areas of the brain that regulate emotions and memory, which is your brain's primary functional tissue. 5. May help prevent and treat depression. Depression is a prevalent mental health disorder characterized by a diminished mood, feelings of sadness, decreased energy, and disinterest in life and activities. Although not as widely discussed as obesity or heart disease, depression is currently one of the world's most significant health concerns. Research shows that individuals who consume fish regularly are significantly less likely to experience depression. Controlled trials have also revealed that omega-3 fatty acids may combat depression and enhance the effectiveness of antidepressant medications. Furthermore, fish and omega omega-3 fatty acids may be beneficial in treating other mental health conditions such as bipolar disorder. 6. A good dietary sources of vitamin D. Vitamin D operates in your body like a steroid hormone, and a significant 41.6% of the population in the United States is either deficient or insufficient in it. Fish and fish products are excellent dietary sources of vitamin D, with fatty fish like salmon and herring containing the most substantial amounts. A 4-ounce, 113-gram, serving of cooked salmon has approximately 100% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin D. Additionally, some fish oils, like cod liver oil, are exceptionally high in vitamin D, supplying more than 200% of the daily value, DV, in a single tablespoon, 15 milliliters. If you don't get much sunlight or consume fatty fish regularly, you may want to consider taking a vitamin D supplement. 7. May reduce your risk of autoimmune diseases. Autoimmune diseases, such as type 1 diabetes, arise when your immune system erroneously attacks and destroys healthy body tissues. Various studies link intake of omega-3 or fish oil to a lower risk of type 1 diabetes in children, as well as a form of autoimmune diabetes in adults. The omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D found in fish and fish oils may be responsible for this effect. While some experts think that consuming fish may also decrease your risk of rheumatoid arthritis and multiple sclerosis, the current evidence is at best weak. 8. May help prevent asthma in children. Asthma is a prevalent ailment that is identified by persistent inflammation of the airways. Its incidence has surged substantially over the last few decades. Research indicates that frequent fish consumption is associated with a 24% decreased likelihood of asthma in children, but there is no significant correlation found in adults. 9. May protect your vision in old age. Age-related macular degeneration, AMD, is a condition that causes vision impairment and blindness, and it mostly affects older adults. Evidence suggests that fish and omega-3 fatty acids may offer protection against this disease. One study found that regular fish intake was associated with a 42% lower risk of AMD in women. Additionally, eating fatty fish at least once per week was linked to a 53% reduced risk of neovascular, wet, AMD in another study. 10. Fish may improve sleep quality. Sleep disorders are a prevalent issue on a global scale, and there are various reasons behind this phenomenon. Among them, exposure to blue light is a contributing factor, but vitamin D deficiency may also be implicated. A 6-month study conducted on 95 middle-aged men found that consuming salmon 3 times a week resulted in better sleep quality and daily performance. The researchers proposed that this effect may be due to the presence of vitamin D in the fish. 11. Delicious and easy to prepare. Fish is a versatile and appetizing food that requires minimal effort to cook. Therefore, it should be effortless to include it in your regular diet. Consuming fish once or twice per week is typically enough to gain its advantages. If feasible, opt for wild-caught fish instead of farmed. Wild fish usually contains more omega-3s and has a lower chance of being tainted with dangerous toxins. Salmon is a particularly versatile fish that can be prepared in various ways, such as baking, frying, searing, or boiling. It complements a wide range of vegetables and grains. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.